Smart women follow these 5 rules for success. I learned the hard way through decades of building businesses, making mistakes, reinventing myself, and finally finding what works. If you're ready to look good, feel good, and attract success into your life and business, this video is for you. I will be sharing how to get my free guide, the top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence, plus the Freedom Formula Blueprint for those ready to start earning online right away. Don't want to wait? Go ahead. Download my free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence. These are the same steps that helped me to look and feel like the woman I'm meant to be. Confident, magnetic, and completely myself. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of 2. I've been where you're at, wanting more time and income without overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some of them gave me success and some of them left me struggling financially. But I never regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed to earn extra income, not just to survive, but to start building a secure retirement, digital marketing landed in my lap. I'd never heard of digital marketing. I didn't know what it was. I had no experience with it. I didn't realize the impact it could have, but it's been life-changing for me and others. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. Ready to learn and see how digital success could help you? Grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. The first rule is look good, feel good, attract good. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, success follows naturally. But it's not about vanity. It's about energy. People don't buy what you do. They buy how you make them feel. When you show up with confidence, it changes how others see you. And most importantly, it changes how you see yourself. Your visual presence, how you show up online, the colors you wear, your posture, it all sends a message before you even say a word. That's why I created the free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence, to help you look amazing and feel authentic on camera right away. It isn't about perfection, it's about alignment. When you align how you look and how you feel, opportunities start to show up to match your energy. Are you ready? Then grab your free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence below. It's the exact plan that I use to align my outer style with my inner confidence so that I can start showing up authentically and attract the clients that were just waiting for me. Rule number 2, confidence is your currency. Confidence is magnetic. It's what makes people stop scrolling and start listening. But confidence doesn't come from having everything figured out. It comes from taking that first step, even when you're nervous. When I first went on camera, I was terrified. I stumbled, I second-guessed myself, but I kept showing up. Over time, confidence became my greatest asset. Not my appearance, not my credentials, but my belief in myself and that I had a message to share. So here's your reminder. Start before you're ready. Confidence grows through action, not waiting. And when you show up consistently, you'll attract people that see themselves in your courage. Are you ready to see it? Then grab my free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence. It's the guide I follow to create a polished, authentic presence that connects with my audience and attracts my ideal clients without trying to be someone I'm not. Rule number 3, learn to leverage digital tools. The smartest women don't work harder, they work smarter. Digital tools like automation, AI, and done-for-you systems are the secret to scaling your time and income. I teach this inside my Digital Success Club, a school group where we talk about mindset, money, marketing, and modern tools. You don't have to be a tech expert. You just need to be open to learning. Click below to join the club. Technology isn't replacing women like us. It's empowering us. It's giving us freedom, flexibility, and the ability to build income streams that work even while we rest. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the exact step-by-step plan I followed to go from zero to earning online. Rule number 4, success is a state of mind. Success is 99% mindset and 1% strategy. Everything you want begins with how you think. If you tell yourself you're too old, you're too late, you're too inexperienced, then that's what your brain believes. But when you shift your mindset to why not me, that's when the door starts to open. I had to retrain my own thinking. I started speaking to myself differently. Instead of saying, I can't, I started saying, what if I could? That one shift changed everything from how I showed up on camera to how I built my business. You don't need a new life. You just need a new perspective. The right mindset transforms obstacles into opportunities. Before you go, make sure you grab my top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence below. It's the exact roadmap I use to start showing up confidently on camera, feel amazing in my own skin, and start attracting my dream clients. Rule number 5, be the vessel, not the star. This one might surprise you. Success isn't about making it all about you. When you go on camera or build your business, think of yourself as a vessel for the message that someone else needs to hear. When you make it about serving others, helping them find hope, confidence, and solutions, you'll stop worrying about how you look or sound. You'll start focusing on the impact that you can make. That's when your presence becomes powerful. People don't remember perfect. They remember real. And real connections builds trust, clients, and lifetime followers. So those are the 5 rules that smart women follow. Look good, feel good, and attract good. Build confidence. Use digital tools. Master your mindset and become the vessel for your message. Which one of these 5 rules do you need to focus on most right now? Comment below. I'd love to know where you're resonating and what you want to work on for yourself. And before you go, grab my free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence below. It's going to help you look good and feel good on your next video or Zoom call. If you're ready to build your online digital business and start earning online, then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's going to show you the exact steps I followed to start earning online. And join us in my Digital Success Club. You can find both those links below. Because when smart women rise together, we all win. Now that you know the 5 rules that smart women follow for success, you might want to learn the easiest home business to start after 60. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair that with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.